Hi learners, welcome to Agile Scrum Mania. We bring videos on Agile and Scrum on a regular basis. Today we are going to discuss about the Scrum event named Daily Scrum. Please do subscribe if you like the content. Let's start the topic without any delay. What is a Daily Stand-up? The Daily Stand-up, also known as the Daily Scrum, is a 15-minute time-boxed event that happens every day during the sprint. Its purpose is for the development team to inspect progress, coordinate their work, and plan their activities for the next 24 hours. It is not a status meeting for the Scrum Master or product owner. It is a team-driven event, facilitated by the Scrum Master only when needed. Purpose of the Daily Stand-up: inspect progress toward the sprint goal, identify blockers or impediments early, improve team coordination and communication, adapt the plan for the day. What is discussed in the Daily Stand-up? Each team member answers these 3 questions. What did I do yesterday that helped the team meet the sprint goal? What will I do today to help the team meet the sprint goal? Are there any blockers or impediments preventing me from making progress? Example of a good daily stand-up: assume a Scrum Master is facilitating a team building a healthcare mobile app. Developer says, yesterday, I completed the login API integration and started writing unit tests for it. Today, I'll finish the tests and begin working on the password reset functionality. No blockers right now. Developer B says, yesterday, I worked on the UI for the patient dashboard. Today, I'll hook up the data layer to that UI. I'm blocked by a missing API response from the backend team. QA tester says, yesterday, I tested the user registration flow. Today, I'll verify the login functionality developer completed. No blockers. As a Scrum Master, you don't resolve the blockers in the meeting but make a note to follow up immediately after. Scrum Master's role in the Daily Stand-up: ensure the stand-up happens every day at the same time and place, coach the team to keep it short and focused, observe and identify blockers or process issues, avoid turning the meeting into a status update for you, step in only when needed to bring focus or facilitate. Best practices for daily stand-ups: start on time and keep it time-boxed to 15 minutes, use a task board to visually support the discussion, encourage team members to speak to each other, not to the Scrum Master, keep the meeting focused on planning and collaboration, take problem-solving discussions offline, rotate facilitators occasionally to build shared responsibility if remote, use video and screen sharing for better engagement, common anti-patterns to avoid turning the stand-up into a status meeting, solving problems during the stand-up, skipping the stand-up or making it optional, allowing distractions or multitasking, letting the same person dominate the conversation every day. Final thoughts for Scrum Masters: your role is to support the team by fostering discipline and purpose in the daily stand-up. Create a safe space for open communication, encourage team ownership, and make sure the meeting delivers value every day. Keep it short, focused, and consistent. That's all for today's learning. Please subscribe for more informative content like this. Goodbye.